Good morning, all of you. I'm Dr. Shweta, critical care specialist at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. So today, as a part of Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine, on the World Sepsis Day, we have done a awareness walk on the Durgam Cheru, and now here we are meeting together for the spreading the awareness amongst people. So, what is sepsis? Basically, it's not just a simple infection, but it's a very severe form of infection which can affect every organ. So, if you know, almost 1 million people get affected with sepsis every year over the world, but the awareness is very less. Actually, the number of sepsis is more than heart attacks and cancer. But whenever the patient has chest pain, they will go to the doctor immediately. If they have some weakness of any limb, they will go to the doctor immediately. But when there is sepsis, they don't have the awareness and they will reach late. So in sepsis, what is important? Recognition early and seeking the advice of a doctor early, which can prevent the complications and even deaths. So what are the signs of sepsis? Patient may start developing fever, then they may have breathing difficulty, they may have altered mental status, they may have a low platelet count which can cause rashes on the body. So these are all the signs. So whenever you see these signs, you should immediately contact the doctor, because sepsis is a silent killer. We will think, okay, these are very simple things, but if we delay to contact the doctor, it may spread, it may affect all the organs. The kidneys may start shutting down, and this is called as the multi-organ dysfunction. So to prevent sepsis, there are so many things which we can do. The first important thing is vaccination, then maintenance of the personal hygiene. So you should do hand washing regularly and properly. Then whenever you are going in places of where the crowd is more, you should wear your mask. So respiratory etiquettes are very important. And also there should be policies by the government wherein this awareness should be brought. So we have taken this initiative to bring the awareness amongst people, and we hope in few years we will have a society which is fully aware of sepsis and we can prevent the complications of sepsis. Thank you.